Kolter Homes. Homes that are built around you. The Caroline floor plan offers a variety of options for your unique personalization. Here are just a few examples for you to personalize the owner's suite, which is located at the rear of the home. First, you can extend the owner's suite and the adjacent covered lanai by 4 feet, adding roughly 60 square feet to each. Or, you can add a second walk-in closet for the owner's suite. This will move the laundry room into where the flex room is. With this, you will also have a larger pantry too. To add more space to your home, you can add a bonus room to the second floor. This can be personalized further with a full bath and a walk-in closet. Speak with a new home guide to explore the many ways you can have this floor plan built around you. With Kolter Homes, the choices are yours.